Commutative law in whole numbers. Objectives: to study the commutative law in whole numbers under 4 operations. In the basement of a shopping mall, customers parked their vehicles at the parking slot. First, 8 cars and 6 jeeps are parked. How many vehicles are parked? 8 cars plus 6 jeeps equal to 14 vehicles. Next, 2 customers took away their cars, and later another 2 customers came with their jeeps and parked. Now, how many cars and jeeps are there? There are 6 cars and 8 jeeps. How many total vehicles are there? Totally, 14 vehicles are there. 6 cars plus 8 jeeps equals to 14 vehicles. In both cases, total number of vehicles are the same. 8 plus 6 equals to 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Here, we can say that in whatever order we add 2 whole numbers, the sum remains the same. Similarly, example, consider 145 and 114. The sum of 145 and 114 is 259, and the sum of 114 and 145 is 259. In both cases, 259 is the answer. So we can just say that 145 plus 114 is equal to 114 plus 145. So we can conclude that in whatever order we add 2 whole numbers, the sum remains the same. This is called the commutative law in whole numbers under addition. If A and B are any 2 whole numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Verification of commutative property in whole numbers under subtraction. For example, 52 minus 12 equals to 40, but 12 minus 52 is not defined in whole numbers. 52 minus 12 is not equal to 12 minus 52. 35 minus 18 equals to 17, but 18 minus 35 is not defined in whole numbers. 35 minus 18 is not equal to 18 minus 35. Similarly, 2020 minus 0 is not equal to 0 minus 2020. For any 2 whole numbers A and B, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. In a transport agency, there are 5 vans with 3-ton capacity and 3 lorries with 5-ton capacity. First time, all the vans transported the goods in full capacity. Then, what is the total weight of the goods transported? 5 vans with 3-ton capacity mean 5 multiplied by 3 equal to 15 tons. Next time, all the lorries transported the goods in full capacity. Then, what is the total weight of the goods transported? 3 lorries with 15-ton capacity mean 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15 tons. Here, in both situations, the total weight of the goods transported is the same. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. Consider 6 and 9. The product of 6 and 9 is 54. The product of 9 and 6 is 54. So we can say that 6 multiplied by 9 equals to 9 multiplied by 6. Consider 12 and 15. The product of 12 and 15 is 180. The product of 15 and 12 is 180. We can say that 12 multiplied by 15 equals to 15 multiplied by 12. So we can say that if we change the order of the whole numbers in the multiplication, then the product will remain the same. This is called the commutative law in whole numbers under multiplication. If A and B are any two whole numbers, then A multiplied by B equals to B multiplied by A. Verification of commutative property in whole numbers under division. For example, 50 divided by 10 equals to 5. But 10 divided by 50 is not defined in whole numbers. 50 divided by 10 is not equal to 10 divided by 50. So, for any two whole numbers A and B, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A.